My friends, today we are going to learn something about non-defining clause. You have already known that there are two types of clauses, defining and non-defining, but today we are interested in non-defining a clause. How do we distinguish between defining and non-defining a clause? Let us read the example and then we explain. For instance, we say, their dog, which spent its first year living on the street, didn't like sleeping in the house. In this example, we have a non-defining clause, namely, which spent its first year living on the street. This is non-defining clause. Why is it non-defining clause and we haven't said that this is a defining clause? Just because for three reasons, let us say. Number one, this clause can be omitted and the meaning of the sentence is not affected badly. It means we can delete the clause, but the meaning of the sentence still remains not affected. For instance, we can say the dog didn't like sleeping in the house, and it is a full sentence and it can stand alone to give full meaning. We have omitted which spent its first year living on the street. Number two, at the beginning of the clause and the end of the clause, we can see comma. We can see two commas. And non-defining clause is separated from the sentence by two commas. Another thing, at the beginning of a clause we have used the relative pronoun which. Yes, we cannot use that, and as you know that normally that is used can replace any one of relative pronouns, but in non-defining clause we should use the precise relative pronoun, which, who, or whom. We cannot use that. So, non-relative pronoun is distinguished with three characteristics. Number one, it can be omitted from the sentence, and the sentence can remain or remains with a full meaning, and the main meaning of the sentence is not affected. Number two, it can be or it should be separated by two commas from in the beginning and in the end. Number three, the original relative pronouns should be used. We do not use that, but we should use which, who, or whom. This is non-defined. Now, if the clause, is characterized by these three things, then we can say this is non-defining clause. See you happy and healthy. Thanks.